Hi, welcome to Strings and Threads. I'm Heather. Welcome back to my channel. Today is sneak peek day for Battle of the Stitches. Woven Fans Stitch was what we are doing this month. If you want to see that, I'll have the videos from last week linked in my description so that you can see what we've been doing. But I made a project using that stitch, and this week I'm going to give a sneak peek. I want to see if you can guess what I made. And next week I'll reveal what I made and I'll put up a tutorial for what I made. So I'm going to do it a little different this time. So what do you think that is? Leave your guess below and then stay tuned for next week when I reveal what it is. Thanks for watching today. I hope you have a great day and I will see you next week for the reveal. Bye.